Every single day, this factory produces over 1 million plastic bottles. And it all starts with something smaller than a grain of rice. Inside these walls, machines never stop working, 24 hours a day. Every second counts. Hundreds of bottles move through the factory before you can even blink. But have you ever wondered how something so light can be made so incredibly fast? This tiny pellet may look ordinary, but it contains years of material science and engineering.
The answer begins with tiny plastic pellets.
PET stands for polyethylene terephthalate, one of the world's most widely used plastics. It's lightweight, incredibly strong, and perfectly safe for food and drinks. That's why almost every beverage company relies on PET bottles every single day. Even though these bottles weigh only a few grams, they can safely handle pressure, transport, and everyday use.
Every bottle must meet strict quality standards before it ever reaches a store shelf.
The journey begins here, where thousands of kilograms of PET resin arrive every day. Powerful vacuum systems transport the pellets automatically through the factory. Before manufacturing begins, every pellet must be completely dry. Even tiny amounts of moisture can weaken the plastic. That's why drying is one of the most important steps in the entire process. Now the real transformation begins. The dried pellets enter the heart of the injection molding machine.
A massive rotating screw continuously pushes the pellets deeper into the machine.
Powerful heaters raise the temperature to nearly 250 degrees Celsius.
The pellets soften, melt, and become a thick stream of molten plastic.
At the same time, enormous pressure builds inside the machine.
Then the molten plastic is injected into precision-engineered molds.
Each cavity forms an identical bottle preform with incredible accuracy. Cooling channels quickly remove heat, so the plastic becomes solid again. Seconds later, the mold opens, revealing perfectly formed bottle preforms. Industrial robots remove every preform without slowing production. At first glance, they look like small plastic test tubes. But look closely, the bottle cap threads are already finished. Everything below the neck will change shape, but the top never changes. Thousands of preforms leave the injection molding section every hour. But they're still not bottles. In the next step, heat, pressure, and precision engineering will transform them forever. Before they can become bottles, every preform must be heated to the perfect temperature. Robotic systems position each heated preform with millimeter accuracy.
The mold closes, and now the real magic begins. High-pressure air expands the softened plastic in less than 1 second, creating the final bottle. Every curve, every surface, every detail is created with extraordinary precision.
Cooling happens almost instantly, allowing the bottle to keep its exact shape. Moments later, the finished bottle is ready for inspection. Thousands of bottles are produced every single hour without slowing down. But production is only half the story. Every bottle must pass strict quality inspection. Artificial intelligence checks for defects invisible to the human eye. Some factories even pressure test every bottle before shipping. Approved bottles move automatically to the packaging line. Every machine is monitored in real time to keep production running at maximum efficiency. The bottles are finished, but their journey isn't over. Next, powerful robots will package and prepare them for delivery across the world. After passing every inspection, the bottles enter the final stage of production, packaging. Machines organize thousands of bottles into precise groups in just seconds. A thin protective layer is added, keeping bottles secure during transportation. The next challenge is moving millions of bottles efficiently, and robots handle the heavy work. With laser precision, every pallet is built for maximum stability. Modern factories use smart warehouses, where machines manage storage and movement automatically. Behind the factory floor, advanced software tracks every bottle from production to delivery. From this single factory, millions of bottles begin their journey around the world. A simple bottle you see in a store may have traveled through one of the most advanced manufacturing systems on Earth. But the story doesn't always end after one use. Many bottles can return to the manufacturing cycle. Advanced recycling technology can transform old bottles into new materials. The future of bottle production depends on smarter factories and more sustainable systems. From tiny plastic pellets to millions of finished products, every step is a masterpiece of engineering. The next time you hold a plastic bottle, remember the incredible technology and precision behind something so ordinary. The next time you hold a plastic bottle, remember the incredible technology and precision behind something so ordinary. This was the hidden technology behind millions of bottles. Subscribe to Tech Chronicles for more incredible stories of engineering, machines, and innovation.